Guys, OpenAI just released Search GPT. If Google stays complacent, Search GPT could have a serious chance at taking Google's spot as the top search engine. Let me show you why. Alright, in order to get Search GPT, like all the other OpenAI releases, it's available to Plus users, Team users, and if you actually happen to be on the wait list for Search GPT, you should have gotten it as of October 31st, 2024. To get into it, I'll show you an example of ChatGPT versus just your typical Google search results here. In order to activate Search GPT, you can go down to this logo down here, search the web, and that will make sure that ChatGPT will then just search the internet. Otherwise, if you don't, ChatGPT will use its best guess as whether or not searching the web would be useful. So for the first example, let's say, how can I prevent my packages from being stolen? Okay, it gives the answers you're looking for here, bullet pointed out. So let's go over to Google and see what Google would say. And old Google, with the same thing, you would have to go through a million links and kind of find the answer on your own. You can see Google is starting to make their way with AI like this. My prediction is all of this old way of search engine will be completely gone. Right now it's half AI and half old search engine. My prediction, this will eventually take over the whole thing. Right now this is a little minor pop-up window. I think in the future AI will be the major results that will show up and might have some additional direct links in a little window. Which one would you choose? Right? The one that gives you the answer with the website that it got the answers from? Or would you rather search through a million links in hopes to eventually find the answer? And after looking through these answers, let's say we want to go with a package delivery box, right? Give me the package delivery boxes. Amazon, single family house. And search. And here you go. Top 5 just given to you. And this links to them on Amazon. And there it is. 2,200 reviews. Now let's see what Google would say. And Google does a little bit better of a job this time. Only thing is, it is just suggesting package delivery boxes, but not the best boxes. These ones are the top rated on Amazon. And if you wanted to specifically buy from Amazon, ChatGPT did that, whereas Google is giving you every package delivery box it can find, which is not what we wanted. Now, where I've seen ChatGPT be really good is if you're trying to find sources for a paper you're writing, that's where Search GPT is really good. So make sure you activate on the bottom left, and we can type, what were Plato's main ideas? And if you're writing a paper on Plato, in these little bubbles, it gives you the sources of where Search GPT got its information from. So you can maybe include these in your works cited section of your paper. Now let's try that with Google and see what Google says. So again, Google is catching up with the AI. Their AI is definitely nowhere near as good as ChatGPT. I was saying earlier, if you use the old method of search engines where you have quite literally a million websites you could go through, it would take you many hours to find the answer you're looking for when Search GPT gives you the answer with the citations. And you can even integrate ChatGPT Search right into your search bar at the top, just like this. Weight of a rhino. And it'll bring you right to ChatGPT, give you an answer. And to do this, it's really easy. All you gotta do is go to the top right behind my head here, go down to extensions, go to visit Chrome Web Store, go up to the search bar and search for ChatGPT Search. And it's this first one right here, ChatGPT Search with this black logo. And to install it, you have to click install right here. I already have it installed.